Mallory.
Hi,
Hi,
Dr. Baquero.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
I'm Dr. Baquero.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Nice
Yes.
to meet you. All right, guys. Well, this is exciting.
Yes.
Water Pro, baby's coming.
Yes.
That's awesome. That's great. And this is your first baby?
It is.
Okay. You know right what you guys are having?
We think a boy.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Any names?
Frank.
Frank, that's awesome. Cool. All right. So, 36 weeks, 1 week preterm, but no biggie. Babies do great.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
We were nervous about that.
We're worried. Yeah, the likelihood of issues is rare. If anything, sometimes a little bit of breathing and they observe the baby, but usually do great. Any issues during this pregnancy?
No.
Okay. So if I had something to ask you, what is very important from this labor or birthing experience? You know, something that you really want to tell me, this is very important for me or for us.
Sure.
What would you tell me?
Really do not want a C-section. Little intervention as possible. No pain medicine.
She has a very high pain tolerance.
I can do this.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome. We're in the same boat. I think you're a great candidate for vaginal delivery and of course you every step of the way. Pain management is going to be up to you.
Okay.
And, we have pain management at the world, but it's going to be completely up to you. You can get in the bathtub, you can walk, you can use the peanut ball or the bouncy ball. So all of these are options, and Mallory can definitely help you with that. And if you change your mind, that's fine with me. Okay? No, there's no issue there. Sometimes it's really hard to change your mind when your baby's about to come out because there's really no time for that. But otherwise, yeah, totally fine. It seems like you're already having some contractions.
Yes.
And you're hurting.
Yes. Very painful. Mallory said it's going to get worse from here.
Okay. Well, I think that for now we can basically just observe and to see where labor goes.
Okay.
Do you guys have any questions?
So when would be the next time that you're going to check her cervix?
Well, that's a good question. So when your pain gets a lot worse, or if you are asking for something for pain.
Okay.
Okay. When at that point, I will check you.
So you don't need to check every 2 hours on the dot?
I prefer not to.
Okay.
I prefer depending on how you're feeling, basing it on that.
You okay with
Of
that?
course,
I'm okay with that.
if you feel like, oh, I really need to push them, we'll check you.
Okay.
But given that your cervix is only 1 centimeter and you've been ruptured, I would like to minimize the cervical checks.
And when would we introduce any type of medication to help me get into labor if this wasn't effective bleeding?
Well, there is not one rule,
Okay.
but let's say that your contractions peter out. And you say like, yeah, I had contractions at the beginning, now I don't have any. And then at that point, I would offer you medication to get your labor going.
Okay.
Or, let's say you have several hours and your cervix has really changed from one, then I would offer not only medication, but also other mechanical ways to dilate your cervix.
Okay.
But given the fact that you're already contracting, you're already hurting, I think it's okay to wait.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
I think all of our questions were answered.
Yeah.